Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable developer options in Windows 11. So if you want to install unknown source application or third-party application on your PC, laptop or desktop, and you need the developer option to install it, then this video is going to show you how you can easily turn on or enable the developer options on your Windows 11. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Then to turn on developer options, all you need to do is click on the start button on your Windows 11, select settings. Now under settings, locate and click on system. Once you select system, scroll down the system page and then click on for developers. Now once you selected for developers, you see developer mode here. Install apps from any source including loose files. Then to enable developer mode, just turn this on. And then you should see your Windows developer option pops. Turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risk or harm your device. Now to turn on or enable the developer options, select yes. And then you are good. Now to turn it off again, repeat the same thing and click on this button to disable it. And that is it. So that is basically how to enable developer options in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.